Welcome back to another video on Mathematica for Physics. In this video, I will show you how to install Feyncalc package. Feyncalc package is a package that is used for high energy physics calculations, like calculating amplitudes of Feynman diagrams, etc. We will also install the Fine Arts package, which is used to draw the Feynman diagrams, and it is used with Feyncalc. So head over to www.feyncalc.org. This is the website for the package. So as you see, it's a tool for quantum field theory calculations. So we need to download the package first. So it is in the GitHub page. When you click it, it takes you to the GitHub page. So from here, click on Feyncalc because that's what you want, and then click this download zip button, so it will download the package as a zip. I have already downloaded it. After that, head over to finearts.de. This is the package which we will use for drawing the Feynman diagrams. So, and here you can download the file. Make sure you download version 3.9 because it is very important that you only stick to this version. So after we're done downloading, let's open it up. So these are the two files that I have downloaded. One is the Feyncalc package and other is the Fine Arts. Now I am using Mathematica 10. The Feyncalc that we downloaded is version 9 and the Fine Arts is version 3.9. Make sure you have these same versions for Fine Arts and Feyncalc. The version for Mathematica doesn't matter, but Feyncalc 9 works only with Fine Arts 3.9. I couldn't get any other version working with other Fine Arts versions. So let's begin. First, we extract the two compressed files. So this is done. Since Fine Arts is a tar.gunzip, so preferably unzip it using 7-zip. This gives me the tar, and then again I extract it. It might show you an error or two, but that doesn't matter because we won't be using these packages. So okay, so now we have the files extracted. First, head into the Fine Arts folder, copy the Fine Arts folder and paste it into the Feyncalc directory. This is the main Feyncalc directory. Paste it here. So it's done. And now just rename it to just Fine Arts without any version. So let me tell you what I've done. So inside this folder, I have this main Feyncalc folder. Within it, inside this main directory, I have copied this Fine Arts and I've renamed it to Fine Arts. So this is our package. Now any Mathematica package comes as a zip file which you extract. So after extracting, this is the main package file. This is the main package folder. So what you need to do is you need to copy it. So I copy it, and then you need to go to app data folder. To access that, you can write %app data % in Explorer and press enter, or you can go to C drive, users, and then select whichever user you are in, and then go to app data, and here in the app data you have to go to roaming. So this is the same directory which we entered. So let me show you the other way again. So if I wanted to enter app data, then I enter % again. So this is the shortcut. When you're inside this, you go to the Mathematica directory and you go into applications. So I already had my Feyncalc installed. Let me just remove it. So in this directory, this applications directory is where all your plugins are stored. So to paste any plugin here, to install any plugin, you just need to paste the directory over here. So I have copied the Feyncalc directory. All I need to do is I have to paste it. So now I have Feyncalc ready, it's pasted. The first run is to install Feyncalc. We have Feyncalc pasted here. Now Feyncalc doesn't know that it has to be patched with Fine Arts. To do so, let's first open Mathematica. The first time after you've copied Feyncalc, what you need to do is you need to write %load Fine Arts equal true. Make sure you write it as it is, and then to open the package, packages are open in this way. You write these two symbols and then you write Feyncalc and then this symbol. I don't know what it's pronounced, but you can access it from the tilde button and you press enter. So it will ask you whether you want to patch Fine Arts with Feyncalc. So you click OK. So it's doing the patching work and it's done. So notice this is Feyncalc version 9 and we have patched it with Fine Arts 3.9. Everything is done. Now we need to restart Mathematica. So I close it. We are done. So let's test it. So inside this applications, inside the Feyncalc folder, there are a couple of examples. There's an examples folder. So you can check out any examples. Let's start with a QED example. Suppose I want to calculate electron muon scattering. So I open it. .m is another Mathematica extension which refers to a package. So all the code is written here in a nice way. So let's run it. So it drew the Feynman diagram. It drew it using Fine Arts package. So we know Fine Arts is running. And you see it did all the calculation. And at the end, we got the simplified result, which is the correct result, as we can check it from Peskin and Schroeder. So we have our package up and running. In the next lecture, I will show you how to work with the package. But before I end this lecture, let me remind you a small thing. Let's open Mathematica again. So again, let me begin again. To install any package, all you have to do is copy the package directory and go to the app data folder, go into Mathematica and go into applications and paste it here. So if I want to start Feyncalc, to start any package, you need to enter the symbol and then the package file name or folder name. So I wrote Feyncalc because inside this Feyncalc folder, I have this feyncalc.m file. So to use the package, Mathematica needs to access this particular file. So since the name of the file and name of the folder are the same, which usually it is, that's how Mathematica accesses it. If this Feyncalc folder was in some other folder, then I would have to enter the folder over here. So to start a package, you enter Feyncalc and then the symbol which you obtain from the tilde button, this one. So when you press shift and enter, it loaded the Feyncalc package. So a very trivial command is Dirac slash. So if I want a Dirac slash notation and I write x, so not Dirac slash, and I gave x, so it gave me gamma.x, which is the slash notation. So we know the package is working. So from the next lecture onwards, I will show you how to work with this package to do high energy physics calculations. Thank you for watching.